Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft Train Showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know that we have done. And today we're looking at the Union Pacific GTEL, the gas turbine electric locomotive. And this one is essentially powered by a gas turbine, which is like a jet engine. And as you can see, it is 3 full units here. The first generation of it was only 1 unit. Then they realized it burned way too much fuel, so the second generation added a fuel tender. And this third generation is actually an A unit, a B unit, and the fuel tender here. And remember, if you want to build this train, there is a full tutorial video up for it on the channel already. I'll have that linked in the description. And as with most of my builds, there is a full detailed interior on this. So we can come inside the A unit here, which this has a cab in the front, of course. And then we can come in this engine compartment. And in the A unit, they actually have a smaller diesel prime mover, which is used to move at slow speeds or while idling, like in the yard, to save fuel, because the turbine burns so much fuel. Then we'll come into the B unit here, and this is the main power for the train. And it has the turbine engine at the back here. And then of course the third unit of this is the fuel tender. So that's what the interior looks like. For some reason it wasn't letting me get out that door here. But like I said, there is a full tutorial that shows you how to build all of this, as well as the interior in full, on the channel already, which will be linked in the description here. And it's a pretty unique and cool locomotive. I've also done the first generation single unit turbine on the channel, but I don't think I've done the second generation yet. So thanks for watching and have a great day.